An important factor to consider about your videos is to be consistent. For example, if your channel is about sports and maybe you teach people on how to play tennis, don't just do a cooking video after that, okay? It makes total sense. You are making videos for people to watch, so the fastest way to get people unsubscribed would be to post videos of different topics on your channel. Also, you would want to have a posting schedule. And I don't mean by that to post daily at the same hour. I mean to stick to the posting schedule. If you can do 2 videos or 1 video per week, make sure to stick to that, because people will wait for your content. Now, that doesn't mean you have to let go of everything else in your life just to post a video. As a new YouTuber, some of your videos might not jump out of the roof in terms of views, but that's okay. I repeat, and I will repeat myself over and over, that is okay. When you're just starting out, you have no audience to impress, and it's the perfect time if you're not quite sure about the type of videos you want to make. Just post everything you make and see what sticks. Also keep in mind not to overwhelm yourself, because you will get the most out of YouTube if you're doing it as a passion and not because you have to. You decide what's good and bad for you after all. See you in the next lesson.